Hi everyone, my name is Madhushmita and this is my submission for the Code Basics Resume Project Challenge 12, and in this challenge I have focused on providing insights to the automotive company to launching electric vehicle in India. For providing better insights, here I follow certain steps like problem statement, background, project overview, primary questions, secondary questions, dashboard showcase, insights, and some recommendations. As per problem statement, here the Atlic Motor is a well-known company that specializes in electric and hybrid vehicles. It has strong market position in North America with a 25% of market share in electric vehicles. Currently, it holds less than 2% market share in India. Now, as for expansion, the Atlic Motor wants to increase its market share in India by launching its popular electric vehicle models. As a data analyst, my role is to analyze the electric and the hybrid vehicle market in India. For this, I focused on understanding the market needs, studying the customer behavior, evaluating infrastructure readiness, analyzing the competitive area. I will use various methodologies like analytical tools and follow questions provided by my manager to guide my analysis. My goal is to create a compelling and concise presentation for Bruce Haryali, the chief of Atlic Motor India, focusing on data-driven insights and strong storytelling. This is the data model for the analysis of the electric vehicle. Project overview. The objective of this project is to analyze electric vehicle sales data across India states to uncover the trends, identify the discrepancies, and provide insights for promoting electric mobility in the country. Dataset overview. This analysis uses the datasets covering the electric vehicle sales trend in India from April 2021 to April 2024, sourced from Code Basics with data from Bahan Seva. Electric vehicle sales by state, monthly sales data categorized by vehicle type and state, including the date, number of EVs sold and the total vehicle sales. Electric vehicle sales by makers, sales data manufacturer categorized by the vehicle type, showing date, vehicle category, manufacturer, EV sold and date dimension. Provides time series analysis details including dates, fiscal year and quarter. Primary questions. List the top 3 and bottom 3 makers for the fiscal year 2023 and 2024 in terms of the number of two-wheelers sold. In case of two-wheelers sold in 2023, the top 3 makers are Ola Electric, Okinawa, Hero Electric. And in 2024, we have Ola Electric, TVS and Ather. We can observe here that Ola Electric consistently leads in two-wheeler for both the year 2023 and 2024. Meanwhile, TVS and Ather are enter the top 3 in 2024. The bottom 3 makers two-wheelers in 2023 are Jitendra, Bain and Pure EV. In case of 2024, here we have Battery Electric, Revolt and Kinetic Green. Identify the top 5 states with the highest penetration rate in two-wheeler and four-wheeler EV sales in the fiscal year 2024. Now, penetration rate percentage is equal to the electric vehicle sold divided by the total vehicle sold multiplied with 100. Now, here we can see that top 5 states are Goa, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi. And in case of four-wheeler, here we have Kerala, Chandigarh, Delhi, Karnataka and Goa. List the states with negative penetration in EV sales from 2022 to 2024. Now here we have uh, decline of minus 1.11% in case of Andaman and Nicobar, and in case of Ladakh, here we are having the decline of minus 0.41 percentage. What are the quarterly trends based on sales volume for the top 5 EV makers four-wheeler from 2022 to 2024? Now from this ribbon chart, here we can see that Tata Motor consistently leads in sales volume for four-wheeler in every quarter. How do the EV sales and penetration rates in Delhi compare to Karnataka for 2024? Now here we can say that in Karnataka we are having the EV sales as 109,000, and in case of Delhi here we are having 44,000 with the penetration rate of 28.8. List down the compounded annual growth rate, which we called as CAGR, in four-wheeler units for the top 5 makers from 2022 to 2024. Now as per CAGR, here we are having Tata Motors, MG Motor, Mahindra and Mahindra, Hyundai Motor and BYD India in the list. And CAGR we found as of ending value divided by beginning value whole to the power 1 by n minus 1. List down the top 10 states that had the highest compounded annual growth rate from 2022 to 2024 in total vehicles sold. Now, as per total vehicles sold, the states are Meghalaya, Goa, Karnataka, Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Assam, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Andaman Nicobar. What are the peak and low season months for EV sales based on the data from 2022 to 2024? As we see here, in case of March, in every year 2022, 23 and 24, we are having a peak in the EV sale, and slowly it's decrease, and then in the case of December it's decline. What is the projected number of EV cells, including both two-wheeler and four-wheeler, for the top 10 states by penetration rate in 2030 based on the compounded annual growth rate from previous year? Now here we can see that the states like Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Odisha, Puducherry and Tamil Nadu in the list. Now here we can see that the projected EV cells in Goa is higher than other. Estimate the revenue growth rate of four-wheeler and two-wheeler electric vehicle in India for 2022 versus 2024 and 2023 versus 2024, assuming an average unit price. Now, in case of two-wheeler, here we are having 269% in 2022 versus 2024, and in case of 2023 versus 2024 we are having 28%. In here we are having in case of four-wheeler 368% in 2022 versus 2024, and in case of 2023 versus 2024 here we are having 83% only. Secondary questions. Reasons why customers are choosing four-wheeler EVs in 2023 and 2024. Due to cost saving, environmental concern and government incentives, in 2023 and 2024 most of the customers choose four-wheeler. As per cost saving, here it's electric vehicles is cheaper than fuel, and EV need less maintenance, and the fuel safe. Charging on EV is often much cheaper than buying the petrol or diesel. As per environmental concern, EV doesn't have tailpipe emission, so they help reduce air pollution. As per government incentives, here many governments give money back through subsidies, tax breaks or rebates to make EV more affordable. How do government incentives and subsidies impact the adoption rates of two-wheelers and four-wheelers? Which states in India provided more subsidies? Now, government subsidies and incentives which lower the initial cost of ownership and increase the affordability of electric vehicles are vital in driving up the adoption rate of two-wheelers and four-wheelers. The states that offer significant financial incentives such as purchasing discounts, tax rebates, and help for the development of infrastructure include Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. These steps stimulate early adoption and increase consumer confidence in addition to reducing the total cost of ownership. These states are creating favorable conditions for expansion of the electric vehicle sector in India by making investments in the infrastructure necessary for charging and by offering steady support. How does the availability of charging stations infrastructure correlated with the EV cells and penetration rates in the top 5 states? More charging stations make it easier for people to charge the electric vehicle, encouraging more people to buy them. Government support states with lots of charging stations often have strong policies and incentives for electric vehicles, which can help boost sales. Charging station can make using electric vehicles cheaper compared to the gas cars, making electric vehicles more attractive to buyers. The consumer confidence, knowing there are many places to charge an electric vehicle, can make the people feel more confident about buying one. The public awareness, the presence of many charging stations can make electric vehicles more visible and familiar to the public, leading to the higher adoption rate to states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. Who should be the brand ambassador if Atlic Motor launches their electric vehicle in India, and why? Atlic Motors should consider Virat Kohli as their brand ambassador for launching electric vehicle in India, as Virat Kohli, highly influenced sports personality with a strong following among the youth. Kohli aligns with the values of performance, sustainability, and innovation, qualities essential to the EV market. His involvement in various eco-friendly initiatives make him an ideal figure to promote green technology, enhancing Atlic brand visibility and appeal to environmentally conscious audience. Which state of India is ideal to start the manufacturing unit based on the subsidies provided, ease of doing business, stability in governance? As per the insights here, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Karnataka are the states are ideal to start the manufacturing units. Dashboard overview. Finally, thank you to the Code Basics team for organizing this competition, and thank you everyone for listening my presentation.